Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shubhasri ma'am. All of you know we are doing the sums from the new book Ganit Prakash from NCERT of class 6, and we are doing the chapter number 10, the other side of zero, and we have already completed addition and additive inverse and comparison of integers. And yes, we know the other name of this chapter is integers. And those who have not seen the previous video, you can see and learn all. Now today's topic is subtraction. That is subtraction we will do to find that which button you will press inside the left to reach your target floor. This is little different. Whatever you have done, that is how to find target floor. So you use this one. Target floor equals to starting floor plus movement. Movement means the button you will press inside the lift, you will add with the starting floor and you will get target floor. Today we will find which button you will press in the lift to reach the target floor. For that you will use this one, that is target floor minus starting floor equals to movement needed, means which button you will press inside the lift. So let us start. It is figure it out and page number 249. So let us start sum number A. That is plus 1 minus plus 4 equals to dash, means movement needed. So your target floor is first floor and at present you are in fourth floor. So which button you will press? So for that first you write this target floor minus starting floor equals to movement needed. So our target floor is plus 1, so plus 1 and minus plus 4. So minus plus minus 4. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So we will do what? Subtraction. And minus sign is with the bigger number. So our answer is minus 3. Means you should place minus 3 inside the left. So to reach the target floor, that is first floor. Now go for the next sum, that is 0 minus plus 2, means at your target floor is ground floor and at present you are in second floor. Okay, so write this target floor minus starting floor equals to movement needed. Your target floor is what? 0, means ground floor. So write ground floor means 0 and minus plus what will come? Minus. So 0 minus 2. So 0 minus 2 is what? Minus 2 only. So to reach the ground floor from second floor, you will place minus 2 inside the lift. So you should place minus 2 in the lift. So come for the next sum. That is sum number C. Plus 4 minus plus 1 equals to movement needed. So your target floor is plus 4, means fourth floor, and at present you are in first floor. So which button you will press? Let us solve. 4 minus plus minus 1. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. So we will do subtraction and plus sign is with the bigger number. So plus 3. So you should place plus 3 inside the lift to reach where? Fourth floor from first floor. Clear? Go for the next sum. That is sum number D. 0 minus minus 2 means your target floor is again ground floor, but now you are at present in the 2 floor below the ground floor minus 2. Let us solve. So 0 minus minus plus 2. So 0 plus 2 is simple plus 2. So you will press plus 2 button inside the lift. I hope all of you understood. Now next sum let us do. That is plus 4 minus 3. Your target floor is plus 4, fourth floor. And minus plus 3. Now see, both are positive. So very simple. 4 plus 3 is what? 7. So you will press the button 7 inside the lift to reach the fourth floor. Now next sum is sum number F, minus 4 minus 3. So let us solve minus 4 and minus plus 3. Okay, one is negative integer and one is positive integer, so we will do subtraction, and minus sign is with bigger number. So 4 minus 3 is what? 1, but we will do minus 1. So you will press which button? Minus 1 inside the left. Okay, so come on the next sum, that is number G, minus 1 minus plus 2. So let us solve. First we will write minus 1 minus plus minus 2. Now again both are negative integer, minus. So we will do plus. So what we will get? Minus 3. Right, so to reach in the basement from second floor, you will press which button inside the lift? Minus 3. Understood now? Now next sum. Minus 2 minus 2. This one is very interesting. Listen properly. Now let us solve first. Now see, your target floor is minus 2 and starting floor is also minus 2. So minus 2 minus plus 2. Same number opposite side, though additive inverse. So we will cancel minus 2 and plus 2, and common sense, your target floor minus 2 and your already starting floor is also minus 2. So 0 will come means what? You will not press any button inside the lift, right? The sum is very interesting. Okay now? So okay, no problem. Next sum. Sum number I. Minus 1 minus plus 1. Now your target floor is basement and you are in first floor. So let us solve. Minus 1 minus plus minus 1. Both are minus. So we will do plus. So minus 1 minus 1. What we will get? We will get minus 2. So you will press minus 2 button inside the lift. Next number J, plus 3 minus 3. Target floor is plus 3 and at present you are in 3 floor below the ground floor. So 3 minus plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is what? 6. You will press 6 inside the lift. I hope all of you understood, but still if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment box. I will definitely give your reply. Today is this much and bye bye.